Good morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with our Huawei Band 7, the latest fitness tracker from one of our favorite brand, Huawei. So as you can see here, we have an ultra thin design and loaded with health and fitness function. Okay, it is powered by Harmony OS, okay, a homegrown, okay, operating system by Huawei. Okay, so right now we're going to check on its features and menus of the wearable. Okay, as you can see here, we have a beautiful AMOLED screen. Okay, so let's try and check on the menus and functions. I guess I mean, if you have any questions regarding this wearable, please drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Okay, swiping from top to bottom, it shows the, okay, some of the settings here. We have the do not disturb functions here, okay, alarm, and we have this screen on, okay, if you don't want the screen display to turn off or to shut off, okay, right away. So you have at least, as you can see here, 5 minutes. We have a shortcut to the full settings here, okay, and swiping from bottom to up, we have the notifications. Okay, from left to right, we have the activity tracking here, and from right to left, okay, we have the heart rate, okay, blood oxygen monitoring. Okay, so this one is for the weather. We have Bluetooth music, and of course the automatic activity tracking. Okay, so where are the menus here? Okay, so just press on the button here and it shows you the different menus of or the different functions inside your Huawei Band 7. Okay, we have workout records, workout status, we have heart rate, blood oxygen monitoring, we have activity records, we have sleep function, we have stress, breathing exercises, music, notifications, weather, stopwatch, timer, alarm, we have flashlight, find phone, and of course settings. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so for the workout, let me check. So we have at least 96 workout modes here, so let's check it out. So we have outdoor run, indoor run, outdoor walk, indoor bicycle or cycle, pool swimming, jump rope, elliptical rower, other functions here, and we also have widgets here. Okay, so go back, and for the widgets here you can add, I think, okay, let's say this one, indoor run. Okay, strength, spinning stepper, air walker, hit, aerobics, group timing. So we have a lot of details here. Okay, 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 let's pick at this several. Okay, so we have, as you can see here, we have stepper, aerobics. Okay, for the widgets. Then let's check, for example, in the run. So it monitors for the heart rate, distance here, the time. We also have the pacing, calories. We also have the training stress here for aerobic and anaerobic. Okay, so we have a lot of details for its sports function. Okay, So we have warm up here, and it records also for the time. Long press if you want to stop, and distance too short to be recorded, and workout. Okay. Then we have workout records here. So this one we have our indoor run. Okay. We have the duration. Okay, the pacing, the speed. Okay, cadence, the stride, as well as the heart rate here. So we have beautiful records here, comprehensive records of your activity. Okay, we have heart rate and blood oxygen. Okay, for the heart rate, so it will monitor your heart rate. As you can see here, we are not wearing it, so it will not detect. Okay, so let's check, and now it is monitoring our heart rate. So we have 75 beats per minute here. Let's see if it will average. We have 68, and we have 73 here. So far it works. We will see it when we check it with a medical grade device to see if the heart rate provide at least a closer results to a compared to a medical grade device. We also have SpO2, the blood oxygen monitoring here. So wear the band tightly and hold. Okay. So beautiful animation here. So it is now measuring. Okay. Then we have activity records. Okay, this is your automatic activity tracking here. So it calculates for the calories, the distance, the number of steps. Okay. So 3 hours active here. Okay, we have sleep monitoring. Okay, so we tried it last night, and we have at least a very good sleep here, 7 hours and 27 minutes. Okay, so more details can be found in the Huawei Health app. So it shows there the deep sleep as well as the light sleep. Okay, if I'm not mistaken, I guess we have at least 1 hour of deep sleep and 6 hours, more than 6 hours of light sleep. We have stress. Enable automatic stress test in Huawei Health app. Okay, so it's also available there. We have breathing exercises. Okay, we have music control, notifications with the option to read the messages right in the wearable. They also have weather here. Okay, you see the weather for the day, including the, I think, the low tide and high tide here. Are you sure? We are not sure. We do have a moon phase here. Beautiful graphics. Okay, lunar cycle. Okay, you need to connect it to your smartwatch or smartphone to be able to see the updated, okay, results or the updated weather report. Okay, you also have a stopwatch, timer, alarm. You also have flashlight here. Okay, you also have find phone, and we have the settings. We have display, of course, this is for several watch faces, and we also have the option for always on display. Okay, so we have several designs here, more digital watch faces for your always on display. So we'll check it out later. You have favorites here, brightness settings, tap to wake screen, and for the advanced here, screen time. Okay, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20. Just make it 5 minutes. Okay. You also have vibration, do not disturb mode. You also have a pin for security. We have workout settings. Okay, auto detect workout, you can set it on. You also have system updates. Okay, restart, power off. Okay, disconnect and reset. Sometimes the screen is, I don't know if it's laggy or the skin is pretty new and maybe our fingers oily. Okay, we have the about. Okay, so that's it for the different menus and functions of the Huawei Band 7. Okay, let's check other functions here. We have pool swimming. So what does it record for the pool swimming? So we have distance and time, and as well as the calories. See, as you can see here, that's the issue with this one. Maybe something's wrong with I think you really need to have a clean, okay, and less oily fingers, okay, to operate the wearable properly. Okay, okay, so that's it. If you have any questions regarding this wearable, please drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Goodbye.